And may access lang siya ko sa Miracle Lounge. So, kabila 195 baht. So guys, nasa Makasan Station na ako. So 5 minutes pa bago dumating yung next train. So yun, not sure kung may timetable na sinusunod dito. Grabe, ang init. 9 o'clock pa lang, pagkapawis na ako. Hi guys, nasa Suvarnabhumi Airport na ako, and currently it's 10 AM in the morning and very busy yung departure area. Daming departure flights ngayon. And we are flying with Philippine Airlines and we are flying in business class. So first time ko to. So samahan nyo ako experience yung business class. So, ayun. Hintayin lang natin mag-open yung check-in counter. Currently sarado po. And yung flight natin is 1 PM Bangkok time or 2 PM sa atin. So samahan nyo ako experience ang first business class right. So guys, ito yung aking sako bag na nabili ko sa mall sa Bangkok. If you know me, lagi ako may sako bag as extra baggage kung saan nilalagay ko yung aking mga damit, and dun sa maleta ko yung mga importante na nabili ko. Yeah. No. So guys, I'm done checking in 2 baggages, free siya, and may access lang siya ko sa Miracle Lounge. So pupunta na tayo ng immigration para ma-maximize natin yung lounge. So guys, may observation deck pala dito. So silipin lang natin sandali. So yan, lawak ng airport nila dito, departure area. So guys, ang laki ng departure area nila dito, ang haba. Di pa ako nakakarating ng D. Sa D kasi yung ating departure boarding gate. Kabila pala, D6, D8. Palayo ako. You know. Sa D6 tayo eh. So guys, post-immigration, meron kayong mabibilan ng mga pasalubong. And syempre, mango sticky rice. Ayan. 195 baht. So pupunta na tayo ng lounge para magamit natin and makita natin kung ano yung offer sa lounge. Miracle Lounge. Okay. So guys, yun yung boarding gate natin, D6, tapos yung Miracle Lounge dito lang sa D5. Yan o, nakikita ko na. Ang haba din ng lakaran. Business class lounge.
Oh, you should into it.
So yan. Merong cereal, ay mga chips. Sandwich. Cream soup, rice, and green curry. So, nagpagawa ako ng Hainanese chicken, kumuha ako ng green curry. Okay yung green curry, chicken green curry, masarap. Saka yung Hainanese chicken. Now we are having vanilla ice cream. Scoop. So yan. Hintayin na lang natin yung boarding na. D6. Guys, nakakatuwa. Yung binok ko Boeing 777. Ngayon naka A350 tayo. So pinalitan nila yung plane. So, A350 business class. So that's our right, guys. A350.
A few moments later.
So ayun nga guys, official na nilang kinancel yung flight natin back to Manila due to bird strike. So nakita ko nga na inaayos nila yung harapan ng eroplano and it seems na matatagalan pa kaya na-cancel na yung flight. So yun guys, hindi tayo makakasakay ng A350 today. So guys, na-cancel yung flight namin due to bird strike daw. Then ngayon, nasa O2 Luxor Hotel kami dinala. So ang hotel natin, ang room natin is 207. So yeah guys, nakapagod. 208. (204) 207. So this is my room, 207. Oh, this is my hotel. Room 207. Solo ko to. So yun guys, kasi hindi ko pa alam kung kailan yung flight ko pa uwi. So, extended ang vacation natin. So, ito yung room ko. Dalawa yung beds. Ayan. And this is the room, the CR. Maraming towel. And my veranda. There you go. So guys, nag-laundry ako kasi wala na akong damit. So pauwi na nga dapat kasi ako. So buti na lang meron dito malapit sa hotel. So mga 100 pesos lang yung nagastos ko. So guys, dinner time. Pakain sa amin dahil na-cancel ang flight. So sagot lahat ng airlines, pati hotel. Buffet, yang chow, steamed rice. Grabe yung selection dito ng mga pagkain sa 7-Eleven sa Thailand. guys, after ko mag 7-Eleven, may flight na tayo. Good morning guys, breakfast time. So today yung flight natin mamayang gabi. So ito yung breakfast nila, pa-breakfast nila this morning. Ito yung chow egg. Sausage, hindi siya pinito, parang pinakuluan lang. Then kukuha tayo ng gulay. So guys, ito yung schedule na pick up sa amin sa hotel, 7 PM. So lunchtime guys, assorted Thai sweet. Para siyang bilo-bilo. Then may pa spaghetti sauce, spaghetti rather. Curry, veggies. So guys, hintay lang natin yung bus. Papunta na tayo ng airport for our new flight. So yun, hintay lang natin. Then, ito yung hotel natin. Accommodation natin for a day. So yun. So let's go. Tapos gagawa na lang ako ng detailed vlog regarding sa cancellation ng trip. Yun. See you at the airport. So guys, nandito na tayo sa airport. Ayun na yung gate natin ay F6. So hinihintay na lang natin yung boarding. Excuse me.
Passenger throwing on
business class passenger, premium economy class passenger, million milers, premium elite, and elite card holder may for at their own convenience.
So ito na nga guys, tuloy yung flight natin pauwi ng Manila, and sabi ko nga, it's our first time na magbi-business class. Nakatuwa lang dahil na check na natin yung isa sa mga bucket list ko na makasakay ng business class. Yun. So dati puro lang tayo low cost airlines and naka-economy lang tayo. So now, check na natin yung bucket list. So let us experience it together. Hello.
Second row, please.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Hi. Welcome aboard, sir.
And fare monetary instruments must be cleared in the e-travel system. Prior
So
authorization
guys, may
from the Bangkok Central
pa-lotion and
Pilipinas
cologne
must
dito.
also be secured if carrying more than 50,000 pesos. Non-declaration or false declaration shall be subject to confiscation and criminal prosecution.
So guys, this is our solo seat, and very spacious siya. And may malaking screen.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your first officer, Lloyd Noble speaking. I'm delighted to welcome everyone.
So guys, ito yung screen. Parang 3 dangkal siya. Parang sinilaki lang ng screen ng MacBook Air ko. So malaki talaga yung screen nila. 3 dangkal. Saka very responsive yung touchscreen. Hindi siya naglalag. So guys, ito yung reading light. So na-adjust siya. And ito naman yung control sa seat mo. Kung gusto mo i-recline, recline. Na-adjust rin yung sa bandang baba. So para siyang lazy boy chair. So may remote din dito ng chair pag nakahiga ka. Remote din yan. And may outlet din, USB and plug. Headphone. Coat hook. Yan yung menu. So guys, na-arrange na nila yung table for our meal. So, para ka na sa fine dining kasi white cloth. So guys, binigyan muna ako ng cashew nuts and mango juice habang piniprepare nila yung hot meal na pinili ko. So may 3 options dun sa menu and hiningi ko yung recommendation ni RK kung ano yung masarap and the best. So ang binigay niya sa akin ay stir-fried pork in oyster. So ito yung menu. So guys, ito na yung appetizer natin na minced chicken salad. And yung dessert natin ngayon ay green tea cheesecake. At ito naman yung ating hot meal na stir-fried pork in oyster sauce. So guys, aside sa green tea cheesecake, may pa Häagen-Dazs ice cream sila na Belgian chocolate. Overall, nagustuhan ko yung hot meals and ang sarap nung minced chicken salad. So guys, past 1 na and naantok na din talaga. And binigyan ako ni RK ng additional pillow. So guys, palanding na tayo ng Maynila and let's do a summary ng experience natin sa Philippine Airlines and business class. So mag-start muna tayo sa day na hindi pa cancel yung flight. So day 1, so yun. So check-in process mabilis and may libreng lounge access. So ang lounge ay Miracle Lounge sa Bangkok Airport. Then, punta na ako ng Miracle Lounge. Pero ang una ko napuntahan ay yung first class. So, pinalipat ako ng business class. So, magkaiba pala yung first class and business class. So, akala ko pareho lang yun. So, yun. Then, yung incident na nangyari, nagkaroon na ng bird strike or cancellation. Ang una nila ina-assist ay yung business class passengers and premium economy and passengers na may elderlies and children. So yun. So kami yung mga batch na unang hinatid sa hotel accommodation sa Hotel O2. Then may libre namang breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Then may libre rin bus. Ihatid kayo sa airport. So yun. So yung nakuha ko ng flight or inassign sa akin ay yung 11 PM flight. So yung last flight ng Philippine Airlines to Manila. So yun. Then yung day ng flight, so unang pinapapasok sa eroplano ay yung mga business class passengers. So nakita ko nakahiwalay yung entrance ng business class and tawag dito yung economy. So pagpasok mo, i-greet ka nila and which is normal din naman sa economy. Kaya lang dito is very intimate and warm yung service nila. Kasi nga dahil konti lang yung passengers doon. At ang napansin ko, may mga naka-assign na flight attendant per passenger. So sa akin ay si RK. So yun. So kinakamusta niya ako kung may kailangan ako, ganun. And in terms of meals, masarap yung hot meals and para siyang fine dining. Saka yung mga utensils ay hindi plastic, kundi silverware. So yun. Kaya nakaka-enjoy din kumain. Then maraming may appetizer, may dessert, yun. Then yung bed ay flat, napa-flat mo siya. And may personal space ka, kumbaga, dito sa business class. So yun guys, so yun yung experience ko sa business class. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo. And huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel for our next trip.
Airlines welcomes you to Manila. Local time is 42 minutes past the hour of 3 in the morning, and the date today is March 27 of 2025. Ground temperature is recorded at 28 degrees Celsius or 82.4 Fahrenheit. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. May we remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead stowage bins to retrieve your items, as this may have shifted during the flight. Passengers who need assistance, please approach